How to add money to PayPal via debit card. Hi there, in this video we will be learning on how you will be able to transfer money from your debit card to PayPal. Here, first thing that you do is go to a web browser and sign in into your PayPal account. What you'll need to do is go to send and request, and you'll actually need to request a payment and just send it to an extra email or a spare email that you have. And when you click on next, you just need to input the amount. For example, this is just for a demo, and then you just need to indicate on what that payment is for. And then just click on request a payment. Once the payment is requested, PayPal will be sending a notification or an email to the email that you have sent it to. And then you will be able to send a payment even though you don't have a PayPal account. Here, as you can see, when I open my email, this is how it would look like. There is a payment or money request, so you can just click on Pay Now. And then if you don't have a PayPal account yet, you just need to input or click on Pay Now. And then just wait for it to load here. For example, just open here with my mobile phone, and then what you just need to do is click on Pay Now, and then you'll be redirected into this page, and then you just click on You don't have a PayPal account. And you will be redirected to a page where you need to fill out your information, like what country or region you're from, what type of product you will be sending to, the details like your name, your address, phone number, and email, so that you will be able to send a money even though you don't have any PayPal account to your PayPal. So what you can do here is just toggle the create a PayPal account off, so there's a blue button at the bottom, so that you can start or continue paying without creating an account since you already have one. And once everything has been filled out with all the card details, the payment or money will be drafted into your account or debit card. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.